Hey friends, I'm Sherry with SheriTV, and we are today wishing GlossyBox a happy 10-year birthday with the special August birthday box. This is going to be a wonderful box. I can't wait to share it with you. Some of my favorite brands are inside the box, including Elemis and Hask. And today we also have a special discount for you, of course, for showing up here today. If you're interested in a subscription to GlossyBox, you get your first box for just $1 with a 12-month subscription using my link below and the code SHERY. Everything is outlined for you in the description of this video. You don't even have to write it down. So let's see what's in this beautiful box. I am going to show you what it looks like when it comes. It has this beautiful pink lid on it, which my postal carrier really roughed up this time around, so I just decided to take the lid off because it was looking a little worse for wear. But here is the box all nice and wrapped. So we're going to untie the bow. I'm one of those silly people who always saves these bows for future gifts because they're so nice. This really pretty thick grain. So I'm going to put this in my gift wrapping box and reuse it. So typically, GlossyBox has 5 items that are worth about $75. So when I was looking at the list though today, I noticed that there are 6 items in here. So here's your first look, and let's start with the first item in the box. Where is it? Okay, I'm going to start with the lip oil today. I'm really intrigued by this. This is a brand that I have not tried before. This is from KAB Cosmetics, and this is a full-size juicy melon lip oil. This is a very hydrating product. The MSRP on this is $20, and would you guys look at the size of this? And look at the size of the doe foot applicator on this. This is wonderful. So really nice hydrating product for your lips. Now it has a little tiny bit of pigment in it, but not a whole lot. Let me give you just a really quick look. Put it just a tiny bit on the back of my hand so you can see what it looks like. There we go. So it's mostly kind of a lip oil slash gloss, not super pigmented. So you could probably even put it on before bed if you wanted to. I don't imagine that it would really stain your pillowcase or anything like that. I haven't tried it yet, but seems to me like it would be good for the end of the day after you wash your face and get some hydration there. So that's the first item. Second item is something I'm very excited to try because this is actually a travel size of a face wash. So this is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. And I always really love getting a face cleanser in one of my subscription boxes because we travel frequently. And if it's a cleanser that I really love, I love being able to just pop one of the travel sizes into my travel bag. So here is what it looks like. Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. So let me just give that a little open for you, and I'm going to put a tiny bit on my hand just to give you an idea for the texture. It's just taking a moment to kind of prime that pump, and I'm going to give it a little sniff too. It's very, very clear. You could probably hardly see it. Oh, and it does smell so good. It does smell like blueberries. Yum! The MSRP, this deluxe mini here, is 30 ml and it's worth $10. And it says, a good cleanser is the first step to having healthy glowing skin. This effective yet gentle 3-in-1 bouncy makeup eraser, cleanser, and deep clarifying mask hydrates the skin without stripping it, helping to combat blemishes and breakouts over time. Very nice. I'm going to give that a try. I like that it's a 3-in-1. Sometimes when I see that a product has the word gentle in the description, it concerns me because I worry that it's not going to take off all of my makeup. But in this case, it looks like it's probably going to be powerful enough to do that, which I'm really thrilled for. I did forget to mention in the beginning of this video that this box was sent to us for review purposes as a gift from GlossyBox. Of course, all of these opinions are our own today, but I did want to disclose that right away. Next up, one of my very favorite brands, you guys. You probably recognize these, but this is a packet of Hask Keratin Smoothing Deep Conditioner. I love the fact that this is infused with hydrolyzed keratin. The keratin in this product makes your hair so smooth, and it also blocks humidity and reduces frizz. The MSRP on this one is about $2.99, and this is 50 milliliters. There are several uses in this for people with short or medium-sized hair, even long hair. I think you're going to be able to get several uses out of this. I love Hask conditioning packets. They are travel friendly. They are such high quality. My mom has been using the Hask hemp products in her home, and she has the full size pumps and just absolutely loves them. I'm thrilled to try this one because my hair has been, since my last coloring, it has felt kind of weak and damaged, and I really have been having to give it a deep condition every single time I wash. So again, so thrilled about this. So far, every item in this box has just been something I will absolutely reach for. Okay, my favorite brand of all time for skincare, Elemis, is in the box. This little product you're looking at right here, believe it or not, is worth $45. And this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is definitely an anti-aging product. Worth the cost of the box alone for this little sample size. Pack it in your travel bag, or just give the Elemis products a try by trying out one of these travel sizes. They are phenomenal. Thrilled with them. Next, we have a full-size sheer hydration replenishing body lotion from Cetaphil, a trusted brand, very, very well known for sensitive skin. And the description of this does say that this contains their hydrosensitive complex, which deepens dynamic hydration and soothes skin sensitivity. So if you have more sensitive skin and you're looking for a body lotion, this might be something that you'd want to try. And this is a full 8 ounces, and the MSRP on this product is $9.99. This is nice. I will be putting this on my calves, my knees, before bed. I've got that dry, ashy leg thing going on 365 days a year. And I think this will be more of a lightweight summer type product to use. When I hit winter, sometimes I gravitate more towards an oil. I'm loving this. There's a little bonus item in the box today as well. This is an Invisibobble. It's basically a little hair tie. It's called the Invisibobble Slim. It's an elegant hair ring, so you can use these to pull up your hair if you would like to. Oh, no, there's 3 of them in here. Look at this, you guys. So you just simply pull your hair up and you can start a great updo with it. They even recommend that you wear it as a bracelet if you want to remember that it's with you at all times. I'm excited to try one of these. These are not the type of elastics I'm accustomed to using, so I'm very much looking forward to it. All right. Happy birthday, GlossyBox. Thank you for sending us this box for review. And those of you who are already Glossies and get the subscription, let me know if you got your August box. I'm very excited to know. And once again, we just want to remind you, if you're new to GlossyBox, that you get your first box for just $1 with a 12-month subscription using the code Sheri and our link. You have to use both together in the description of this video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. We appreciate all of you. And until next time, go do something beautiful.